Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make Hawaiian roll French toast, so let's get started with the video. We're going to begin by making the egg mixture. In a bowl, melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Then add 2 eggs. Next, beat the butter and eggs together until well combined. When you're finished, mix in 2/3 cup of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of light brown sugar, a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a dash of nutmeg. Once you finish making the mixture, set it to the side. Next, in a pan over medium heat, add butter. While the butter is melting, get some Hawaiian rolls. Then dip the Hawaiian rolls in the egg mixture for about 5 to 10 seconds on each side. When you're finished, take the Hawaiian rolls out of the egg mixture and place them in the pan. Make sure to cook the Hawaiian rolls in batches so you don't overcrowd the pan. Cook the Hawaiian rolls until golden brown on each side. Once the Hawaiian rolls have finished cooking, take them out of the pan. Repeat this process until you've cooked all of the Hawaiian rolls. When you're finished, all that's left to do is plate it up. And this is the finished result. This French toast is absolutely delicious and super easy to make. Plus, it's a great way to use any leftover Hawaiian rolls. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!